Hey, it's Dave, and today we are unboxing and reviewing an RCA digital TV converter and recorder. Alright, unboxed it, and this is what I got. Excuse me with the shaky camera. This is my digital tuner, got my instruction manual, got my remote control, and I got my cables. Alright, let's open this up and let's put it together. Okay, looking down on the back of the box, here's your antenna in, your antenna out to the TV, your RCA, I believe they're just outs, and then your HDMI if you want to use an HDMI cable, and then this connects to your power cord, which is over here in the spaghetti. But it's in here. Here it is, right here. There you go. So, and then these are your RCA cables. I'm going to use those. I have HDMI capabilities. I don't have a spare cable at the moment. I'm just going to hook it up real quick with the RCA cables. This is what the front of the box looks like. There's your channels up and down, your power button. And I guess that's your infrared for your remote, which is that guy right there. Alright, let's set it up. Okay, we've got the RCA cables in the right places. Gonna hook it up to the back of the box. Alright, it was a pretty simple installation. Got it connected to my TV. My TV is saying that I've got no signal. I've got the remote control right here. Did that turn on the little... Why, yeah, it did. Alright, so this is what's gonna happen. I don't mind the glare. I'm actually in my lanai. If you don't know what a lanai is, it's a little screened-in porch that a lot of Florida homes have. Alright, let's go through the installation guide. So we're going to be doing English. That's okay. We're going to do air. Channel search. Let's see what we can find. This might take a minute, so I'm gonna fast forward this to the end. Alright, it's still scanning. I just wanted to update you with how long my list has gotten. It's still taking a while, so I'm gonna cut back again to when it's all done. Alright, we just finished scanning and it popped up with the first channel that was on my list of stations found. Let's change channels and see what else we got. Channel down. Okay, I'm seeing something that I gotta constantly make sure that the remote is right in front of the tuner. That way it sees it a little bit better. Alright, this is what's over the air. Don't even know what that was. But anyway, so yeah, so we've got all the over-the-air stations. It was pretty simple to hook up to. Turn that on standby for now while I talk. That was pretty simple. Pretty impressed. I've had digital tuners in the past, and some of them have been a little more complicated. Also want to point out a little nifty feature. If you see this little USB port right here, I didn't notice it before until I was reading the instructions. You can hook up a thumb drive or a hard drive, and that'll actually act like a TiVo, and it'll record your programs live over the air. So I thought that was pretty neat. Be back in a minute or so with a final thought. I was doing a little bit of reading, and we're able to connect a USB thumb drive. A couple of them here laying down. We're going to connect a thumb drive to our device. It says USB device is inserted. And let's see what we can do. Okay, I'm going to hit the menu button this is what we're going to see on the screen. And then we can scroll over to our USB. DVR configure, where you can tell it what the recording device is going to be. That's a USB. I'm going to confirm that. In fact, let me just go back for a second. We're going to click OK on the recording device. And it's going to tell you about the device. I have a 7.15 gigabyte thumb drive in the USB port, and I'm going to use that to try to record live TV. Pop back out of this. Now, I don't need to format it, but I'm going to do it just for the sake of the video. So it says, please wait. It tells you the format file system, and then you click OK. Confirm. Okay. Please wait. Formatting is complete. Let's return out. And let's return out of all these folders and settings. Let's try to record. And there it is. You can see it's starting to record. We've got the record button right here on the remote. And I'm going to press pause. Ask if you want to stop. Press yes. Okay. I'll click exit. Cancel. I'm going to click yes. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is try to watch that video. Okay. So, when you've done some recording, for the DVR list. I got this. And that. Let's hit the DVR list. And there's the DVR list. And we should be able to view there's number 2. It is okay. So we can see what we were looking at. I'm going to concentrate on the informational parts because I don't want to have any copyright issues. But it tells you how long your video was, and also the file size right there. Alright, we're going to stop, and we're going to exit. That wasn't supposed to happen.